Welcome back everybody to A&M Homestead. My name is Alan, my wife's name is Marcia. And here on the A&M Homestead today we were trying to be more self-reliant. And today what we're going to be doing, I got a good friend of mine. He came over and we are going to be making some lumber. Now you saw the last a couple videos back where I took a picture of this, what we're going to be doing. And actually, so we're going to be cutting this down for lumber for future projects that I can't tell you about right now. It's kind of a surprise. So we're going to be cutting this down. We're going to be using an Alaskan Mill saw on it. So I'm really excited about that. What I'm going to be doing is this section here, the bigger part all the way to the butt there of the tree, is going to be 14 foot long. The next section is going to be 13 foot long. The last section here is going to be around about 9 foot. That's basically what's left of the tree. I want to use all I can. The tree cost me $1,500 to get cut down by a tree service. So, and it's a white oak, so it's a really good tree to use for any kind of building materials. So I'm going to get it cut down. I'm going to throw it on the trailer, and then we're going to go from there. So come along with me. Let's see how this is done. Actually, I've never done this before. This is new to me. So let's give that a shot. Let's see how much fun we can have. Come on. Well, as you can tell, we did get some boards cut up. It's gonna take a little bit longer than what I expected. That's fine though. It's really nice, white oak. It's already been seasoned pretty good. So we just stopped for the day and had some other things we had to get done here. And hope you appreciated the video. We're gonna have more of those to come. Got a bunch more I gotta get cut up. So just come along with this, and I have a plan for all this lumber. So just come along and let's see what we can do with it. Until next time, talk to you later.